have learned so much, and I've met so many incredible people, and just hearing their stories, just feeling connected.
This is actually a wonderful opportunity for patient groups who are starting up to see others that are like them and say, yes, we're in this together, we can learn from each other. And of course, you come in, you're brand new, and you're thinking everybody else knows everything, and oh my gosh, they're all connected, I hear these big issues, and what am I gonna do, right? And you recognize there's lots of people that are just starting. And I think it's really important, and again, what Global Genes does is make everybody welcome. And it very deliberately makes people welcome.
The first time, I didn't know what I was really getting into. I just knew that it seemed to be where you needed to go. If you wanted to be an advocate, all the advocates were going there, so that's what you should do. And now that I had that experience, and I know how much can be learned, not just from the sessions that you attend, but from the people you bump into randomly, and you make these connections, and they tell you how they did something, or they say, I had this idea, would you want to work on this idea with me? Or, oh, now that I've heard your story, I know the next 3 people you need to go talk to. Those connections are so powerful, so helpful.
One of the great things about the rare disease community is that people who have been down a path before are so willing to walk back down it again and guide someone else along it. We have people that have been coming to this for many years that are part of our freshman orientation, and they take people under their wing and they mentor them, and they get so much out of it by the interactions they have with people that have gone before them and mentors, but also by being with people that are going through the same or similar experiences to what they are, and they start to realize that they're not alone.
I think at the end of the day, when people walk away, what they're going to walk away with is bigger feeling in your heart, because you feel you're not another, you just feel connected.
I think the value here is to learn more, to gain further awareness, to learn how to do better and be better as a patient advocate, to connect with other nonprofits and organizations that can help you. As healthcare professionals, you learn the most when you hear it directly from the source. So being able to hear families and parents and caregivers and patients that are impacted by rare disease speak so bravely and vulnerably and truthfully about what they're going through and what really challenges them, that's so much value.
I'm connecting with people who I've found, through the patient advocacy, Twitterverse, and online communities, that I've always felt like, oh my gosh, they, have a completely different rare disease diagnosis, but they feel the exact same way I do.
I feel like I've gained so much already just from being here and being around the experts. And I also hope that I can give back to the rare community. Though we are rare, we are mighty, and our voices are mightier when we're together. We are stronger when we are together, and we really have the ability to move those mountains and to change the perspective of providers and push for things like carrier screening and newborn screening and early intervention, and just help and community and connection along the way.